Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. We will discuss the topic tracer data customer data platform CDP for marketing. Multi-channel customer data platform for the marketing. CDP for marketing track customer build a relationship optimize quickly in this every changing marketing landscape is a critical to have a solution that can and growth with you. Tracer data customer data platform for marketing is a flexible and future perform giving you everything you need to connect data point across complex customer journey with this kinds for angel connective enables you to create a personalized experience that perform and optimize your stage with comprehensive cross-channel inside tracer data help you continue the conversion across the channel and brand touch point for tops of mind positing capitalize on customer intelligence imagining and educate their need with the relevant connect every step of the way give each customer a personalized experience contrary to popular belief, people do not dislike marketing. They dislike in which relate message that get in their way. The antidote is to continue the personalized experience because all channel the delight your customer much personalized flex because it not we want this happen and did not share the necessary data so craft and actionable single customer view that helps step the personalization in every company's channel and business unit with the tracer data customer data platform marketing you did not have to customer data platform for marketing you did not have to quickly you and your customer can have it all future proof your marketing stage with each interaction your customer have hint and even opening declare with the interaction with the tracer data customer data platform for marketing you can collection with the concept and utilize all the data scroll including behavioral offline and historical data to build and complete a picture you can pick on the most of the and decode them the create experience to that recover correct card recording future purchase your direct customer to the right channel for the right message our machine learning and data science are the key of the scaling for billion of the interaction and dealing personalized experience to meet each customer need our experience to meet each customer need our technological horsepower can scale to million across my channel any channel personalization that performs every marketer now the struggle to create a personalized experience for social media digital email advertising and online channel with tracer data customer data platform for marketing you can unify every bit of customer data across every for the more suggestion then active you suggestment with the on click the automatically move your customer toward conversion built-in tool that make marketing success ether unlocking the power of the our data with the super stable customer data platform tracer data is a super stable platform to work with and can fit even if you have a complex multi-country business environment good interface to work with the first part data and to the create audience and interaction integration to support our digital market uh, strugglers. Analyze, aspect and optimize it hard to data for simple indication for the success of the failure, let alone the figure and computation optimization and bigger and then and article your success of non-marketing with the tracer data customer data platform of the marketing. You have the quick access of the metric that has the help of the optimize like LTV, lifetime value, crown and machine learning model to the access of the frequency, and modularity, RFM value, multi-touch, MTA, and to the record next best action and NBS. You will give given about for site and the handset allowing you to A/B test, see your company's result to forecast of the outcome has come optimized. This video is the end. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.